Vel Penele is known as a multi-action medicinal plant. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and a natural detoxifier. Here's a breakdown. Fever treatment. In ancient times, decoctions made from Vel Penele leaves were boiled and drunk to reduce fevers, especially fever. Let's learn about the sacred herb of Sri Lanka, Vel Penele. In Sri Lanka, traditional medicine, especially Ayurveda and Hela karma, holds a powerful legacy. Among the many sacred and highly valued plants, Vel Penele, also spelled Vel Penele or Vel Penela, is revered for its medicinal properties. It is considered a divine or a sacred plant in local traditions due to its potent healing abilities. The botanical identity of Vel Penele is often associated with Sasampalo's pereare, a vine known in other cultures too, but in Sri Lanka, it holds special cultural and medicinal significance. It grows wild, especially in tropical forests and rural areas, thriving in warm, moist climates. Vel Penele is a climbing or twining vine. It has heart-shaped leaves with a soft texture. Small yellowish-green flowers, which aren't very showy. Twisting stems that cling to trees, bushes, or fences. Small, round fruits that mature from green to red. The entire plant, roots, stems, leaves, is used medicinally. It's lightweight but resilient, much like many other traditional medicinal climbers. Vel Penele is known as a multi-action medicinal plant. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and a natural detoxifier. Here's a breakdown. Fever treatment. In ancient times, decoctions made from Vel Penele leaves were boiled and drunk to reduce fevers, especially fevers caused by infections. Snakebite antidote. Traditional healers often use a paste of the leaves as a first aid treatment for snake bites, though it's always followed by professional care. Digestive aid. It helps relieve indigestion, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Respiratory issues. The plant is used in asthma, bronchitis, and coughs, helping to clear phlegm and improve breathing. Women's health. Some practitioners prescribe it for menstrual irregularities and postpartum recovery because of its believed balancing effect on bodily fluids. Anti-inflammatory and wound healing. Poultices of crushed Vel Penele leaves are applied to wounds, ulcers, and swelling. In traditional practice, Vel Penele is often combined with other herbs to enhance its effectiveness. It's rarely used in isolation for serious conditions. In Sri Lanka, plants like Vel Penele aren't just medicine, they're also spiritually significant. It's believed that the plant's divine energy can help purify the body and mind, and sometimes it's used in ritualistic cleansings. Healers might use it in sacred baths or herbal infusions designed to drive out a bad energy or illness spirits from the body. Sometimes, traditional doctors would even perform special blessings when harvesting Vel Penele to honor its spirit, ensuring that its healing properties remain strong. Today, Vel Penele remains an important part of village medicine, but it's at risk of being forgotten as modern pharmaceuticals dominate healthcare. However, there's a growing movement in Sri Lanka and globally to protect indigenous knowledge and promote sustainable harvesting of medicinal plants like Vel Penele. Efforts are also underway to study it scientifically. Early research shows promise in validating some of the traditional claims, especially around anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects. Vel Penele represents the beautiful blend of nature, healing, and spirituality that Sri Lankan traditional medicine embodies.